Here's a KX057-5. It's got 501 hours on it. 4-way hydraulic blade. We put brand new rubber tracks on it. Very nice machine. It's got your auxiliary hydraulics with the splitter valve. It's got a pin-on hydraulic thumb. It's got a brand new 24-inch quick coupler bucket, brand new, 5 teeth, severe duty. They gave me the option on that, and I took the 24-inch severe duty. It had a smooth bucket on it, and I didn't want it. It's got a 4-way hydraulic blade with a bolt-on cutting edges. New tracks. Very, very nice. We cleaned it. I touched it up a little bit, nothing much, and polished it. I have to get him to do it. I can't do it on my thumb. Jay, open up that engine compartment for me, please. There we go. Yeah, if you want to real quick, and I'll go ahead and do that while we're here. This thing looks brand new. Very, very nice. New tracks on it. That inside looks brand new. Look at this. It's got enclosed cab, air conditioning, heat, radio. $510 hours. Got the radio in it. Man, the interior just looks brand new.